To another video. So as I was just scrolling down through reels, maybe you also must be scrolling, and I too make reels. If you want to see, do follow me on Instagram. It's abhi_k_arts, as well as appearing on your screen, and link will be in the description box below. I too make some reels. So as I try sketching, two pencil sketching. So before blending, it looks like this, and I mostly blend with this brush, a soft brush. It is a soft fiber brush. I get a nice finish, smooth finish for the skin with this, as well as I use a flat 10 number brush. But as I was just scrolling down the reels, so I saw a really cool technique which some of them have tried, and as well as I've seen on YouTube other artists to try this. So I was really curious and wanted to try this. So for this thing I went and brought some cool looking, no, these are not pencils or white pencils, these are paper stumps, and these were really cheap. I got for 60 rupees. Let's see if we can get a smooth finish with this. As well as I went and collected some tissue papers. These two things we will need, and to blend and get a cool looking real like finish, and it to get a smooth finish on my artwork. So let's see if this works. So rather than trying first, I thought let's try together and see if this works, so that you can too collect this you will get in any stationery store, or if I find it online, I will link it in the description box below. And this, so you can collect from anywhere. This is just a normal tissue paper. This I'm not just going to test the pencils and all, I'm just going to test this stump and this tissue paper if they can give me a cool looking finish. So let's jump into our video.
So I'm using a 8B and 2B pencil here. So let's see how it blends. So first I'm going to shade with a 2B pencil, then a 8B pencil, and I'm going to do a 2 on the both sides. Let's see which one blends well, the paper stump or the tissue paper. Here goes the 8B. First light, then dark. Let's take you to a zoom in, please. Oh, here we go. And here is the paper stump blending. It's little bit harsh on the paper, but it is giving me a smooth finish and really blending both the pencils nicely. So I am pretty much impressed with it. Now let's see how the tissue paper works. So the tissue paper is also working nice, and it will be really great for larger areas, I think so. But for smaller areas I am not that impressed, but for paper stump I am really impressed, because tissue paper did some smudging over there. So here is the paper stump, and this is the tissue paper. So I think for smaller areas I would use paper stump from now, and for the larger areas I would use tissue paper.
These were really nice. I enjoyed them. Sorry for the interruption in between the video, but one thing that I didn't get in that reel is that how to clean them. They are getting much black from their tips, and I don't know how to clean them, as well as they are not that sharp. When I got them new, they were too sharp and gave me a nice result, but now they are not getting that sharp, and I don't know how to sharpen them. I tried to find on YouTube, but on YouTube they are almost destroying it with that cutter. So let's find it together in the next video. For now, enjoy the video. I should have buy the expensive one rather than the.
Let's see how it blends on the artwork. Here I am going to use both the things, the paper stump as well as the tissue paper. So for larger areas, tissue paper. After that small doing a little bit on a small paper, I understood that larger areas need to be done with tissue paper, and smaller areas for detailing I need paper stump. So here I am using larger tissue paper for larger areas like the cheek, the forehead, the chin, where I have need a more coverage. Like wow, I'm really impressed with the tissue paper. It is really blending very smoothly and very nicely. The larger parts are looking so uniform and so nicely, you can see on your screen. And for detailing I am using this paper stump. This is helping me nicely to blend rather than that big brush, because that big brush it used to give me a nice finish, but I'm liking this finish more than that. So from now I will be using paper stump and tissue paper for my blending process, and I recommend you all to also use this if you are doing paper sketching, sorry, pencil sketching and portraits. Please, I recommend this very strongly, paper stump and tissue paper. This really really turned out well. I didn't thought this will turn out so well. Means Instagram reels have informative things too. By the way, do follow me on Instagram, abhi_k_arts. So my final thoughts on this two products. These are new to me, but giving me a smooth finish and on skin for a real looking uniform finish on the skin of that person of or that portrait. I will truly recommend you all to buy it.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through?